Hi guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll quickly explain how to use the windscreen wiper on the MG vehicles. This includes all the vehicles MG3, MGZS, ZST, and ZS EV, and the HS plug-in hybrid as well. So on different vehicles, you have auto rain sensing wiper or standard rain sensing wiper, which there's no auto sensing. But I come with this exactly same lever over here. So it's on the right hand of the steering in New Zealand, Australian version anyway. So you can notice on this side that allows you to show you with the whole key center control and to control your wiper to be off, automatic or on position, or low or high speed, or one down is initial wipe. So that's how the whole position works. On the second level, which is in the between, this is to change the sensitivity of the auto rain sensing or to change the wiper blade speed when the wiper blade is on. And then the last one, the switch forward and backwards, is to engage the rear wiper or engage the windscreen fluid on the rear wiper basically. So I'll tell you the first one, how to engage the front wiper. So when your indicator, when your headlight control and the windscreen wiper light is leveled, that means this is at off position. So that means the wiper is not on at all. So even if you have rainwater inbuilt, there's not going to be wipe at all. In this particular position, you can drop the wiper sort of control down, and it will bounce back basically. Just drop it down. As you can see, the wiper blade will wipe once, then it will stop. It's called initial, so it's only going to wipe once. And if you keep doing it one more time, it's going to wipe another time, just like that. That's how that works with the initial wipe, just down there. And if you do want to bring it up to either automatic or on position, all you need to do, just pull this one position up. It's going to be automatic. What that will do, it will wipe first initial time when you bring it up, even if it's auto rain sensing, and then once the rainwater builds up on your front windscreen, it will start wiping based on your sensitivity. But if you do have a vehicle with no auto rain sensing, it will wipe at a particular speed. To change that speed or auto rain sensing, you're going to use this second switch, go forward or backwards. This way, you can see this is the shortest bar over here with the arrow pointed to the shortest bar. That means this rear wiper is at the lowest sensitivity or lowest speed. Now we can gradually go all the way up. That means the wiper blade will pick up the rainwater a little bit faster than what the lower speed is, obviously. That means if the rainwater starts building, and then you can see the windscreen wiper automatically will wipe for you. Or if you don't have an automatic rain sensing wiper, it will go on a particular speed. This is fast and obviously slow, and all the way to the slowest. That's how to change your wiper blade, sort of wiper, how do you say, sensitivity or speed. And then if you do want to use the higher speed, which is on the second or the last level, that means you just pull it up again with one more click. It's going to wipe at a particular speed. This is not rain sensing wiper anymore. It's at low speed, and keep going all the way up. This is the fast speed, just like that. This is as fast as you can go, by the way. And drop it back, one click and one more click. That brings us back to the auto rain sensing wiper or manual set speed, whichever the vehicle you're driving. And to watch the front windscreen, very easy. Just pull it straight towards the steering and pull and hold as long as you can or as long as you wish. That means it will basically wash the front wiper on your demand. Basically, just pull it straight back. I can hold it forever if I like, then I will start wiping the front windscreen basically. And then you can also use a switch on the back that allows you to use the rear wiper basically. So you notice there are three symbols on the side, four actually, including the O button. O means off, so it's not going to be switched on or anything like that. So if this arrow points to 0, that means that it's off completely, so it's not going to do anything. If we go forward, just like that, then your rear wiper will start wiping. And then if you are actually in condition of the rain condition, and if when front wiper is on, you switch it on, the rear wiper will wipe 3 times initially. Then after that, the rear wiper will start wiping at a particular speed. Please note, the rear wiper is not on automatic at all. So the rear wiper will only wipe at particular speed, no matter what you set up, and you only have one speed to go, by the way, with the rear wiper. And then to watch the rear wiper, you either push forward, so switch it forward and hold, or switch all the way backwards and hold. So 2 ways. Just switch this forward, and then your rear wiper will start spraying the liquid and start wiping. You can switch as long as you like, or if your rear wiper is off position, you just twist it back like this way. Again, it will basically wipe with the liquid, all that things. So that's how to use the wiper. One small thing about the MG system is if your front wiper is at on position, so it's or auto position, whichever these 3 bars is, as long as it's not at off position, and when you put the vehicle on reverse, the vehicle automatically will wipe the rear windscreen for about 3 times roughly, so at least you can see the the back of the window and anything like that. So that's a cool feature. Yeah, I think that's pretty much about this video. I hope this is helpful. Please make sure you subscribe and like to support this small channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.